Oh my god! The Naruto franchise is one of the most loved and fan favorite anime of all time, but its sequel doesn't seem getting much love and support from the audience. So these are the 5 reasons why I think everyone hates Boruto.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land? Got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land? Got you like it's contraband.
Before we start, I want to make it clear that all the points in this video is based on what we have seen in the anime. The manga is doing absolutely great on itself. Number 1. The series doesn't fit in as Naruto's sequel. Most of us have grown watching Naruto, as of which we have a certain mindset about how the Naruto universe is, how the people living there are, and how things work out in that world. And when a sequel to that series releases, we expect it to fit into certain parameters set by its prequel. Just ask yourselves, would you like to see a shinobi fight using ninjutsu, taijutsu, and the school hand signs, or the answer is pretty obvious, I guess. Anyways, moving on. Number 2. The protagonist is overrated. Let us discuss Boruto's character for a moment. What about him makes him so special? Apart from being Naruto and Hinata's son, Sasuke's student, topper of the academy, and awakening the Jogen, he haven't done anything remarkable in this series till now. And that is pretty much all about his character. Do you still think he's not overrated?
No! God, please, no! No!
This brings us to a third reason, and personally I think this is where the anime went completely overboard. Number 3. Messed up the Hokage ceremony. The worst thing Boruto as a series did was that it spoiled the moment we all were waiting for ages. Naruto becoming Hokage. The moment which could have been one of the most emotional and satisfying in the entire franchise was completely slaughtered. Naruto becoming Hokage was not only his dream, it was a dream of millions and millions of fan bases.
すまねえナルトの兄ちゃんどうにか変化の術でごまかしきるぜこれ
Spoiling this resulted in a massive outrage within the audience. And I think this is where the anime got most of its haters. This also brings us to the fourth and the main reason of all. Number 4. Boruto not respecting Naruto. The biggest reason why most of the audience dislikes Boruto is because he doesn't respect Naruto. As I mentioned earlier, we have seen Naruto grow up. We have seen how he struggled his whole life to become what he is today. As humans, we tend to dislike a certain person if he doesn't respect the guy we do. I won't be diving deep into this one cause I guess the reason itself is self-explanatory.
Exactly.
And with this, we have reached to the fifth and final reason of why everyone hates Boruto. Number 5. Less action, more talk, and bad storytelling. Just compare Boruto to its prequel in terms of action sequences. There is no comparison at all. Let's take Chunin exams as example. Remember the Chunin exams from OG Naruto? The fight between Lee and Sasuke, Orochimaru's invasion, and the fight we love the most.
よーしこれで楽に動けるぞいや
わけが
Now compare those with the Chunin exams in Boruto.
Water style this powerful with no water nearby?
Most of the action scenes in Boruto involves more talking and less fighting. Come on guys, we already hate talk no jutsu, we don't need it anymore. The anime really needs to improve a lot in this field. We need more intensified action sequences than more talking. Anyways, that was pretty much all the reason why everyone hates Boruto as a character as well as an anime. But everyone has their own opinion. You may or may not have agreed to the points I presented. But guys, I'll be dropping another video very soon on 5 reasons why Boruto shouldn't be hated. I'll be discussing why people misjudge him as a character and why the anime should be given his own shot. So guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other video on my channel. Anyways, thanks for watching my video guys. See you again soon.